Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a good old vlog. I have not done one of these in a while. This will probably be like a mashup of a couple of days. Right now I just woke up. It's about 9:30. I've been waking up at like 9ish pretty much every day. Somewhere between like 9 to 10. And yeah, it actually was raining all morning and it just stopped. So I'm going to take Cleo out on her little walk. But first I want to have a really big dose of water. Something I do literally every morning is drink pretty much a whole bottle. All done. Okay, so she's already sitting by the door. Come on, Cleo, you ready? Cleo, go to the door. Good girl. That's my girl. Ready? Alright, we just got back in from our walk and we completely got rained on like 10 minutes into it. So I think I'm gonna go to the gym because I just feel like I need to be active. I feel like summertime, especially if you're not traveling, we're like so much more likely just to be sitting on our butts all day. So I'm gonna get out, I think, and go to the gym. Also, I got a new pack of gel pens yesterday, so I really want to use these at some point today. So I think I'm gonna do like planning or something later. But yeah, I'm gonna go get all my stuff on and then I will take you guys with me to the gym. All right, so I just got out of the shower and I'm actually heading to my friend Margaret's house in just a few minutes. She is one of my longtime friends and she actually just had, maybe like a week ago, she had a breast reduction surgery, which is a really big deal. I don't know, it just takes a lot of guts, I feel like, to do something like that, and I'm really proud of her and she's being super public about it, which is why I'm talking about it. But yeah, I'm gonna go see her, probably bring her some donuts or something sweet. As I was doing my hair, I realized I haven't shown you guys this new tool I've been using for about like the past month. So my flat iron started getting really old like a year ago and I just never got a new one. It was literally on its last limb and I saw this guy on Amazon. It's called the Tymo. It is a hair straightening comb. So as you can see, it has these 25 ceramic plates and your hair pretty much just like weaves between them and it literally straightens and removes all of the frizz. I'm just gonna show you guys how I use it because I love it. This is $45 on Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link below because in my opinion, that's a steal for such a good tool like this. You really don't think that this is like an actual tool until you see how it works. But all you do is you just take some hair. You could honestly do a bigger chunk than this if you wanted to. And you just go like that. Like you pretty much just comb it through your hair as if you're using a brush. So I'll kind of like do it like this way so you guys can see it. See that? How your hair just like goes through the little plates. I like this guy because not only does it make it a little flatter, but it really does tame the frizz. Because as you guys can tell, my hair is frizzy. Like look, this is the before and this is the after. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this linked below. It's called the Tymo once again off Amazon. It had really good reviews, which is one of the reasons it stuck out to me. And also the price, like you can't beat it. It's literally $45. But yeah, check this out if you are looking for a new tool that is not gonna fry your hair and that is easy to use, specifically if you have thick hair like me.
Where are we? Are we back in Charlotte? Are
are we back in Charlotte?
All right, hi guys, so it is the next day now. I think where I left off yesterday was when I went to see my friend Margaret. We ended up hanging out pretty much all evening. It was just so fun to catch up with her. So I didn't really vlog much of that, but that was good. And this morning I got up and I drove straight to Charlotte, and I just got back here. It's about 12 o'clock. And the reason I came back here is because I'm helping out with my sororities recruitment video. I've actually shot and edited, produced the whole 9 yards, my sororities recruitment video for 4 years now. So this is the 4th year that I'm doing it, and I'm really excited about it. It's always fun every single year just to kind of like have different girls come and like do shoots and stuff with them. So the reason I had to come back to Charlotte today is because I'm doing a couple more shoots this week with some girls, so we can get this recruitment video all finished up by the end of August. But I have about an hour just to rest up. I think I'm gonna do a face mask real quick just so I can kind of feel a little rejuvenized. And I feel like in my vlogs lately I have not been wearing makeup, and it's just because I want to let my skin breathe. I'm still battling a little bit of stuff on my chin, so the less makeup I wear the better, honestly, for my skin. But yeah, that's what I have going on today. I just want to update you guys. I'm gonna be doing a lot of decluttering and just like minimizing stuff here at my apartment because I only have 1 more month left on my lease here, which is insane. I've lived here at this condo for 2 years. I've lived in Charlotte for 4 years. So yeah, I'm just trying to kind of like start, you know, minimizing everything. I don't want to sell any of my furniture until right before I move out because I don't want to live in like a furniture-less apartment for a month. It would just be like really sad, I feel like. So yeah, that's kind of just what I have going on here in Charlotte. I am really excited because I feel like whenever I come here, I get so much stuff done, you know? I feel like when I'm at my parents' house, I just want to like hang out and like chillax with everyone, but here I'm always kind of just like getting stuff done. So yeah, should be a good next couple of days.
Moving vlogs though are literally like the best vlogs to watch, so kind of happy to get this content. I love this table though. Where'd you get it?
Facebook Market, and then my dad and I redid it.
Oh, oh my gosh.
The lavender keeps like falling. I know, it's like falling.
But I decided to come back and I want to have a productive evening. I'm probably going to stay up for the next few hours just cleaning and decluttering and getting some stuff done. I definitely want to clean my kitchen, but I was going to sit down real quick and kind of make like a to-do list, and I was looking for some paper to use, and look what I found, you guys. I found some of my old school stuff from my last semester of college that I guess I never got rid of, but wow. Yep, your girl scraped by that last semester. It's funny, like so much of this now is just an absolute blur if I'm being completely honest. But no, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and sit down and make a little to-do list on everything I want to get done over the next couple of days. I'm gonna make probably 2 lists. This one is Wednesday evening, and then I love making lists because it just helps me feel so much more clear-headed because I actually have like an idea on paper of what I want to do rather than everything just being jumbled up in my head. You feel me? But okay, so this evening okay, it's currently 9:48. I just threw some laundry in, and now I just want to take care of my kitchen real quick. I'm not doing anything major. I just want to kind of clean everything up. One of my roommates actually just moved out, and the Keurig was right here before, so now there's like a big gap, so I kind of want to just rearrange everything and make it look all cute and wipe everything down. I don't know if you guys can tell, there's just like some dirt on it because it's been a minute. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now. And if you guys are wondering, for the cleaner, I'm just using this. It's by Mrs. Meyer's. I got this back in the winter, so I don't know if you can still get it, but it's so good. It just smells like apple cider. I love it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get the show on the road. Okay, that feels so much better. Oh my gosh. Cleo, are you happy? Because I am so happy. I ended up just wiping down everything. I don't really think I've ever given you guys like a little tour of my kitchen. It's just here downstairs in my house, and yeah. But pretty much tonight I just cleaned all over. I wiped down the counters. Got my stove. Over here I did like a huge wipe down and clean out, and I just kind of put everything, I don't know, it's kind of hard because like it goes back so far, but I don't like reaching back there, so I just kind of keep the appliances hidden back there because we don't really use those much. And then we just have like oils and salts and peppers and seasonings and stuff like that. I'm still obsessed with my green tea, in case you're wondering. All right, so it's a little bit later now. I'm feeling really good just about having a nice clean house for when I wake up tomorrow morning. It's literally the best feeling ever, guys. And I haven't been spending much time at my apartment here in Charlotte, so I want to make sure that while I'm here, I'm just like in a clear-headed space and I don't feel like foggy. And the easiest way for me to feel foggy is being in like a dirty area. So I've just been cleaning all evening and it feels really good, honestly. I did a little quick cleanup around here too. But I want to show you guys, I have a really good like sweet tooth dessert idea that I want to share with you. I'm about to sit down and sort through all the footage that I got for the recruitment video I filmed today on my laptop. I just have my camera here. But okay, so this little dessert, I have absolutely nothing in my house. And when I say I have nothing to eat, I mean like I literally don't have anything except like a box of rice. I'm gonna go grocery shopping tomorrow and I will do a vlog of that. But for now I just have to deal with this little makeshift dessert. But it's just like a handful of almonds and then a dash of sunflower seeds and then some coconut flakes, and then the key is to top it with some organic honey. And you guys, like honey, if you don't have this, if you don't keep this in your pantry, this is a great staple to have because look, all you have to do is just put a little honey on your food and it instantly makes it a dessert. It's so good. Just make sure you don't go overboard, obviously. And then I just grab a little spoon. Totally satisfies like a crunchy sweet tooth craving. And I just drink it with a big old bottle of water. I've been really good lately about drinking water, you guys. I've been having like 6 or 7 of these every day. So friendly reminder, if you're not drinking your water, drink it. You always feel so much better and lighter, in my opinion, when you drink water. Okay, I'm gonna give this a little try. And if you had chocolate chips, that would make it even better, but the honey really is the key to this, you guys. Alright, you guys, so that is pretty much going to sum it up for this vlog. I love you all so much. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and hit subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye, guys.